What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. One thing just before we start on with what we're doing in this one, fresh haircut. What do you reckon? Pretty fat mullet, huh? But yeah, actually, Melbourne's still in lockdown. I just wanted to say, if you are struggling with any mental issues with the lockdown or even without it, just please hit me up on anything at Jimmy's Works, or yeah, just at Jimmy's Works. My Instagram is the best place to get me up, or in the comment section, or just personally message me. I know for a lot of you who aren't in Melbourne or in Victoria, you know, you can do what you want. You can go see your friends. I haven't seen my friends in that long, so I've been struggling a bit with it, but you know, time goes on, we're almost at the end of it, so hopefully we can hang out with them soon. I'm keeping it on, keeping whatever that gay shit is, but yeah. So all I wanted to say is, yeah, we're almost near the end of lockdown, so that's good. But yeah, if you are struggling with any mental issues because of this lockdown, please hit me up. You know, I'd rather talk to someone, make a new friend. It's always good. You're always welcome to hit me up. I may take some time to reply, but yeah. Yeah, even if not on this lockdown, you know, please hit me up. But anyway, let's get into what we're doing today. And I'm still I'm still waiting on shit because Ozpost, they're just taking their time with sending out, well, because of coronavirus, it's taking forever for parts to get here. So I'm waiting on stuff and doing stuff, and yeah. So why do I have a sandblaster and like this much bicarbonate soda? Well, last weekend I thought I'd just do it, you know, just a little weekend thing, and try and, well, I really want to polish this, and I painted that, but I really want to polish this. But I tried sanding it back a bit, but I don't know, the coating that's originally on this, I don't know, but it doesn't come off, so I just ended up painting it, and I did a pretty shit job of it, and yeah, it looks alright, but I want it polished. So yeah, let's get this off and start blasting it. So what I've done, just use this horse, whatever it is, just put a couple tech screws into the wood just to hold it down so it doesn't go anywhere. If you have an air compressor, turn on your compressor. Make sure it's a big enough compressor that'll have, you know, around 110 to 120 psi, at least 100 psi of good flow, good volume, so you at least get the best out of this cheap as thing. This isn't mine, I'm just borrowing it off a friend. Thank you. And I'm just using, literally, this is like $1 at like a Woolworths. So like, hopefully this is enough. If not, then yeah, it'll definitely get off the paint. I'm not sure about the coating. I'm not sure if it's anodized coating or something. If I'll have to try chemically remove it. Yeah. Anyway, we'll see if this works. So, soda blasting didn't work. I mean, I got a little bit of it, but now I've literally just covered this in paint stripper, so I can remove the paint. And then I have another idea of how to remove it, is use some oven cleaner. Hopefully that works. If not, I'm out of sort of options and have to wait till lockdown's over and get someone else to literally strip it, or I don't know. But yeah, we'll try this and oven cleaner. If not, then yes. So I went to the supermarket and just bought this. There's some eco ones, but I'm not sure how good they are, so I just picked one that had poison on it. So I guess that's what you go for. And hopefully, I bought 6 of them. I don't think that might be enough, but hopefully, yes. I couldn't find a container big enough, so I could just literally just soak the cunt. But yeah, I guess we'll just try it. Try one can and see how it works, and if not, we'll figure out something so I can just literally just soak the whole thing. Yeah, we'll try one can and see how it works. So yeah, we fast forward a couple days, or about a week, because the oven cleaner sort of worked in a way. Like, it got most of it off, but it left like, well, you can't see now, but it left like all these like bubbly shit down here, and I couldn't get it off. So I just used a whizzy wheel and a Scotch-Brite pad and buzzed back the whole thing, and I have lost the VVTi and the writing here because in the process, well, all the shit was stuck to it so much that I just had to shave it all off, so now it's just a Toyota badge. And yeah, this hasn't been going very well at all. I don't know if you can see here, that's the kind of shit it left behind, and it looked so gross. I don't know how this is gonna go, but yeah, we're just gonna use some Scotch-Brite to even it out for the moment, and then just start sanding it. The lowest grit I have at the moment is 800, so I guess that'll do, and we'll just sand it back until she's pretty good and then start polishing. So that 800 grit did alright, you know, it's coming out smoother, but we still have some of those deep grooves from when I was trying to wire brush off all that shit. But yeah, I actually went and got some more sandpaper, so I'm not just, you know, trying to use what I have. Finally have some, what do we have? We got some 120, 240, 360, 400, 800, so we can work up from, you know, 120 or even just 240, 360, get all that rough shit out and make it nice and smooth, and then we can get into polishing it. So that's just about an hour with the, was it 120 or something? Yeah, 120. We've got out all of those bad scratch marks, and it's all flat now. So now we can start go up into 240, 360, 400, 800, 1200, 2000, and keep going up to like 3000. Yeah, so we can go all the way up to 3000. Now, we just keep sanding, keep going. So we've gone down from 120 grit all the way down to 3000, and she's come up bloody smooth. Look at that. No more stupid shit. She looks even shiny over here. That looks absolute mint. So, yeah, but yeah, my hands are a bit sore, you know, ground through the skin on my thumbs and a couple of my fingers from literally sanding this for like 5 hours. So, but I mean, it's paid off, and now she's smooth, so we can continue on and now do some polishing. And my arms really hurt, but yeah. Anyway, I found some of this stuff just laying around. I wonder if this will do any good. If this doesn't really work, I'm gonna use some of the mother stuff I used on the when I was polishing my wheels, the Star Sharks and the Mark IIIs. But yeah, we're gonna try some of that, see how it works, see how she comes up, and then damn. God damn. Oh, isn't that fucking sexy? Hello. Damn. Damn, shouty. Damn. Holy shit. I'm actually like very surprised at how well this actually came out after how shit it was going. I thought it wasn't going to be salvageable, but damn. Just damn. Damn. Alright, so we've finished all the polishing. You can see my reflection in it. Now, let's put it onto the engine. Oh, just been staring at it for so long. It looks so goddamn good in here. With the pink and the chrome. Or the polished. I just need to do something about this. Can't have that, and also the dullness of that, but that we'll get around to that when, you know, we have to do something like this. We'll get around to doing something, or, you know, if I end up getting a welder and some piping, then I'll just make my own rest of the piping and shit like that. But yeah, that'd be fun to do. But yeah, could do with a bit more polishing to get it up really good still, yeah. But like, oh my god, it's so goddamn good. Just look at it. It's just a nice little touch to the engine bay that just, you know, makes it mine. Makes it different, just makes it a bit more, you know, nice to look at instead of the dull, you know, just the dull metallic silver or whatever it is. You know, just a nice little pop of colour. You know, just a bit more eye catchier. But yeah, that's. I'm so happy with that. Thank God it worked out. And it's a bit nice without the VVTi and the 2500 turbo. I wonder if people be like, how did you do that? Oh, yeah. Anyway, before closing this video, I will be getting a exhaust very soon. I already got the parts in. Well, one thing I want to do before I take the car to get done, I am helping with doing the exhaust. But yeah, one thing I want to do before I go there is I want to, so I'm doing 3-inch blasties. I want to cut out the rear lip so it doesn't, you know, so I don't have to do it when we're down there, and it's just going to fit right in there. And you know, I have time now to sort of, you know, figure out how high in the bumper I want to cut instead of just sending it. I can make it a bit nicer, so I can make it, you know. So the issue I have here is, I don't know if you can see it, but see how there's just a little hole here, and it's going to be 3-inch, so I'm going to need to cut out a bit here, and then that should be good. But for that, I want to get the blast pipes nice and tight up against here, so it just fits nice and looks mint. So found this Vegemite cap, which is about 3 inches, pretty close to it. Oh, I'm just going to cut out some of these, that's some cardboard, make some little 3-inch tubes, just so I can sort of line them up in there, see how it's going to be. So I just added some blue tape to the lip so I can mark it out, but also see the contours a bit better, so I can sort of figure out a way how to get it, you know, in a nice looking spot so it's good. Do the tubes because that was a bit out of my skill level for making that, but yeah, if I had some 3-inch tube I could probably easier, but I'll just use these cutouts and sort of stick them on there, line it up, look where I want them, and then mark out and tape. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, then mark it. So, cutout is now complete. It's going to be a nice little provision for the blasties to come through, hang out, and look nice with the spoiler and everything. And we're pretty close to getting it done. Just waiting on restrictions, which I've been waiting for so long for restrictions to live, so I can get exhaust. I've been waiting like I planned getting the exhaust just before the Primal Drift Day, if you don't remember that video. And that was like 3 months ago. More maybe, but yeah. We're nearly there, So we'll get through restrictions and we'll fucking get a fat exhaust on it. But yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out. Just had to cut a bit of the bar up inside here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, still nice and clean. Should look fat. Sort of be like that. But it'll hang out like, I don't know, there or something. I don't know, we'll figure that out when we're getting the exhaust on, but yeah, at least it's nice, so don't have to do it there. All we have to do is just install it. We've already got the idea planned out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Lockdown should be over soon. Finally get all my parts that I've ordered, because it's still in AusPost's hands for like who knows how long. So I'm just kind of killing time and just waiting on shit, so just doing stuff like this just to get me through. It is hard, I mean, I have no motivation anymore, but anyway. We're good now, we're nearly done, so thank you, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.